You know how we're those really sensible people who never do anything dumb? Oh no, wait, we're the other kind of people. Yeah, we're the kind of people who buy an entire storage unit of stuff without knowing really what's in it, just because basically we wanted like one or two of the tools that were in it. So now we have all of this stuff. And we're gonna go through it and try and figure out what we bought. And I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to do this on YouTube, and you said yes. So now you are legally bound to watch every single second of us going through stuff, and it's probably going to be 2 videos because, like I said, there is a lot of stuff. You want to start with this cabinet? Where do we start?
Well, we've got a captive audience. It doesn't matter where we start. They've got no choice. And it is YouTube, so this is going to be way better than Storage Wars. Let's hope for that, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Well, let's start with this big cabinet. You know, when you buy somebody's storage locker, you got to buy everything they've got in it. And we haven't even been through this stuff yet, so you're going to see it in like real time. Wow. That's desirable. Look at that. I think that's the right oil filter for your car.
Heim joints. None of these signs say Heim joints on them, so I don't think he was using this cabinet for the things that are listed on it.
Well, how about that drawer?
I don't even know what those are for.
Here, we can move it along. We don't want to bore the people too much.
I want to bore the people.
Here, there's a padlock or something on this one.
All right.
Get that off.
Yeah, that was the carrying safety strap there. That and some old 24 hours of lemons tape.
This looks like good stuff. I mean, look at that. We could do almost nothing with those things.
What these tappets?
Roller lifter. It's like a General Motors product.
And a push rod?
Yeah. Oh, fancy glass.
All right, well, your gaskets are getting squished there, Tom. You better rescue them.
Save these. It's like, what are those for? I don't even know. Ford, maybe?
I'm going to say this a lot of times during this video. If you know what something's for, mark down the time in the video that you saw it and give us a comment. Let us know.
Yeah, timestamp it.
And if you want to buy it, same thing.
Yeah, the shelves are out of place there.
Yeah.
We should have got a discount on this cabinet.
Are you going to keep this cabinet, Tom?
I don't think I need this cabinet. Although it was insanely heavy, even empty.
All right, if you need a Napa cabinet.
All right, working from our right to your left.
Our right to your
Let's go this way now.
Where?
Turn around.
Oh.
A tote full of lubricants. Not very exciting.
Well, that's kind of exciting.
No, it's not. I'm speaking for the YouTube faithful. It's not exciting. Here's a starter. Does anybody know what that is? What it fits?
Proline Performance Products.
Maybe a Ford or something? I don't know.
It's got a number on it. Could call them.
Some kind of clutch assembly.
That's small. That's not like an American car product, is it?
I don't know.
Like a Porsche or something. What's the big aluminum plate for?
Holding up the clutch disc. Got, I'm not sure what these are. Some brake adapters, maybe? Don't know. Got some disc brake hardware. Corvette caliber. I know what that is.
I like it when they're labeled. Everybody should always put the make and model of the car on every single part.
A whole box of latches, I guess.
Did Tim even have a Corvette?
I don't know. Here's an old Craftsman cabinet. His shop went through a fire, so all this is post-fire. This is what survived the fire. Empty cabinet.
This is my favorite finish, by the way. If there's ever a trivia question, what is Elana's favorite industrial finish? It isn't wrinkle finish. It's like Hammerite.
Yep.
It's the best one.
Yeah, we can do that with terrible paint.
I think green Hammerite is even better than silver Hammerite.
Here's a Dremel box.
Is there a Dremel in it?
Yes, there is.
Oh, that's excellent, because didn't you burn mine up?
That's a win, yeah. What is this?
easy clip system.
Oh yeah, look at that. We can put these factory clamps on. That's another win for the one time I'll need it.
What clamps? What are they for?
Hose clamps. The kind that every mechanic hates because you'd like crimp them on and that's how they stay. There you go. All good stuff. How about this guy? Oh, this is the money box. Snap on
Oh, that's nice.
leak detector, cylinder leakage detector.
Tell people what it's for.
Well, this is for determining your ring seal and your valve seal on an engine. You put it in there with a calibrated amount of pressure, and you can measure the leakage past the rings or the valves or the head gasket if it's real bad. Let's see. Snap off. Look at that. You'll need that for a modern car.
What does that do?
Some multimeter. Dwell.
You act like everyone knows what a multimeter is. You gotta tell them.
Well, okay, it's for tuning up your car. You can look at the RPM, you can look at the dwell setting, adjust your points, ignition points. They used to have those in cars. It's like you can short out cylinders to check for ignition, failure. Which is kind of funny because when you short it out, it is a failure. Let's see. Nope, we'll turn that off. It's a bomb.
What is it?
I think it's an air conditioning sniffer, maybe? I don't know. Does anybody know?
Turn instrument on. It doesn't even say what it is on the instructions. Begin searching for leaks. Yeah, in an area heavily contaminated with refrigerated, when a rapid high-pitched beeping signal, turn instrument off and then back on to resume searching for leaks. So apparently, we're surrounded by leaks.
You sure it's not a bomb?
I'm not sure of anything.
This sounds bad. Look at that vintage vacuum gauge, huh?
It's a really nice face.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh wow, look at that. Little remote Dremel tool with some kind of fixture he made for doing something.
He was quite a clever fabricator.
Yeah, that's a fact.
There's a lot of stuff in the other pile that's handmade.
This vacuum. I don't think this is going to clean the house.
So this whole box is mostly for checking for vacuumy leaks.
I think this is for sucking fluids out of something, maybe. Air in, vacuum out.
Oh, you could use it to drain your giant rear end on the big truck.
Yep.
Did we go through the...
We've already been...
We went through the Craftsman's box. Oh, we didn't go through the SK Tools box, though.
No, we didn't.
Let's go back to that.
Oh, there you go.
Is this,
Cooling system maintenance.
is this a oil filter wrench?
Looks like it.
Never seen one like that before. It's got like a little tab.
Yeah.
It looks like a really good way to slice your hand open.
Good stuff.
Manometer?
Yep.
Manometer?
Yeah, it's for measuring men.
Oh.
I look bigger than that?
I think the rest of these drawers are empty. They're very bad dogs. What's in that box?
Toolbox?
Oh wow, look at all of the stickers. They're really good.
I like the Goodyear one.
Yeah, that's great. It's like the blimp, but with tires. IMSA sticker.
That's good
Sports
stuff.
Car, the Racing magazine. I guess you kind of get an idea of what Tim was into.
Man, that bird is loud. Can you tell him to be quiet for a minute? Got some helicoil sets here.
Oh, with me around, you are going to need those.
5/16/18, and you always need that one. Little fire damage.
Are these still going to be good? Are any of them fixable?
That's a leather punch. Yeah, I can clean it. I can de-rust all that. I don't know if I will. Set of rings, that's probably not good.
It's moldy too. Gross.
That's toxic mold. Sockets, rusty kind. More of them. Well, that's a good drawer.
That is a good drawer.
Yeah.
Bunch of nice craftsman
Look at
stuff in there.
Now that's a wrench.
It's actually more of a solid piece of metal right now. I feel like all of this stuff is just waiting for an electrolysis bath.
That's a heavy drawer right there.
This is a big guy.
Yep. Good size. We forgot this little drawer right here. Allen wrenches. Don't want to leave him behind.
How did they escape? They're like not rusty. They're like all nicely oiled.
They must have been oily. We got some totes over here.
Hold on, I can't close this drawer.
You'll never get it shut. It was hard to open. I made it look easy.
All right.
Oh, look at
fin valve cover.
Wow. That's pedals.
Like a clutch and brake pedal, or
Yeah.
what's it for?
A high dollar race car, which we don't have.
We need one.
Here's some Ford. Oh, melted plastic. I think this, whatever this was, it got a little hot. That's a Y-end Ford intake manifold, I think. Maybe a small block Ford. Not sure exactly. You know, I'm not a Ford expert.
Oh, race cars, small block Ford. He never had a Cobra, did he?
I don't know. RPM air gap intake. Wow, melted blob of something. More calipers and stuff. I don't know what kind these are. JFZ.
They're a lot smaller than the Corvette one.
Yeah. All right. Oh, look at that. More stash of lubricants. Good stuff.
This heat shield did not
It did
shield.
not work.
Yeah,
It
he
just-
should have sprayed it on more of his stuff.
What you got here? Oh, there's a utility light.
Thing looks like an alien.
Oh, look, Elana, for the kitchen.
Yeah, I bet somewhere somebody is in their kitchen right now trying to make something and going, "Damn it, Tim! Told you not to take those."
Yeah, gosh. More random stuff. There's a carburetor at the bottom.
I feel like every one of the boxes that's here to come has a carburetor at the bottom. What are these? They just look like
Those are hydraulic
bottle
caps for capping your oil lines and whatever when you're working on trucks with hoses and things.
Do they screw on or they clamp on?
They screw on. Like you take the hose off, you screw this on so contaminants don't get into your component. Pretty good stuff, I guess. Oh, look at this. Blue box. Oh, that's kind of handy. Little dial indicator with a little bracket.
That's a nice
And a custom-made vice grip to clamp it on something. Mitutoyo. Oh, dial bore gauge. Still in reasonable condition considering what it's been through. Good for metering bores.
Like how boring something is?
Like this video.
Oh yeah.
Degree wheel video. You can change the degrees of this video and see how great it is.
And if you haven't already watched our
Oh, there's
three-wheel video, we did
piece,
make a video
There's
about
a piece
degree.
of gold. This is R12. Brand new. Refrigerant.
Put that in the Polara.
Alright, what's in this one?
Oh, I guess maybe that solves the mystery of what his performance Ford was.
Oh, well, who doesn't have a GT40 parts box in their inventory? Look at that.
Not us, not anymore.
Lucas mirror. Yeah, that's good stuff.
Now that we have the mirror, we have to buy the car.
We got the brake light lenses. Dated 69. That's good stuff, you know. Nothing to see here, people. Let's shut that back up. This is supplies.
Are you helping, Bill?
I don't think he's really helping too much.
He's helping a whole lot. Oh, I recognize these little gold guys. Little spark plug ends.
Here's a box of carburetors.
Are they all Hollies?
Yes. Oh, carburetor box, wooden. Gaskets. Good shape. And this guy, another random box.
Timing cover.
Yeah. The oil.
Dampener.
I don't know. I mean, you can see we've got a lot more to go through. I think this is going to be a two-part video. We don't want to bore people too much. But there's lots of good stuff here.
I mean, we have a bore indicator and it isn't going off
Here,
yet.
let's do another one. Let's see what's in this guy.
Aluminum rear cover.
What is that for? General Motors product? Anybody know? I don't know. 12-bolt Chevy, maybe? It says 12-bolt
I
positive.
mean, isn't it the same as all of the little stock ones there? So, how many bolts does it have?
I guess we could count them. Bearing set. Looks like rear end parts.
Oh, I know what those are.
What are these?
They're for if you're making like a shortened rear end.
These things?
Yeah, they're like new
You weld them
mounts
on?
to weld on.
No, leaf spring purchase? Let's go with that. We'll call them that. Oh boy. Well, there's a lot here. That's another boring box. That's chemicals. Let's finish off with one more mystery box. And then we'll regroup and we'll do
I think we should do this whole row of
the
mystery
whole row?
boxes. Yeah, it's not that hard. Oh, I like this hammer. It's just wood. It's really light.
That's actually Noah's hammer.
No, what would you use this for? Like, it's all wood, guys. Like, it's not heavy at all. It's like definitely
Well,
for like
it's
gentle tapping.
For building an aluminum body. I mean, all kind. Looks like bodywork stuff in here. Yeah, that's good stuff. Bodywork tools. This it says asbestos on it. You know it says that. Look at that.
Does it say sad iron?
It's an asbestos sad iron. If you
man.
inhale this iron, you will be sad.
Or sad iron.
Maybe that's for leading for body work? For melting lead, you know, on body scenes? I don't know.
There's so many mysteries, so many things to research.
Oh, what do we got here? A staple gun. More aggressive staple gun. Look at this thing.
Ooh, you could do some damage with that one.
Yeah. A lot of staple guns. He's into stapling. Oh, look how handy this is. A hole saw kit. Look at that. That's good stuff.
Little handheld scroll saw. That's good.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to start making more stuff.
Yeah, I don't think we can actually make anything with all this.
No. Can we make a GT40? Because I have the taillights.
Oh, more random stuff. You know, when you go through somebody else's garage, you wind up with a lot of random stuff.
Yeah, that's what they're gonna be saying about our garage.
Look at these hubs. What would that be for?
I mean, I'm just gonna say everything is GT40.
That's high performance grease.
Bill, it's the high performance grease for greasing the dog.
So yeah, there's a lot more. I mean, we might have to come back for part 2 of this.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Why don't you end with this engine block?
All right, let's do that. That is a 454 Chevy, 4-bolt main. It's high performance, as it clearly says.
4-bolt main refers to the main caps, because most are 2 bolts.
Well, yeah, in the GM world, 4-bolt was their high performance version. It looks like I'll have to measure the bore size and all that and check it out, but it looks like it might be a good block.
Yeah. So, all right, we'll end there. If you want to build a big block Chevy, let us know.
Yep, it's just that easy.